So what are the benefits of smelling lavender essential oil? How does it benefit you to inhale lavender oil? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 4 benefits of smelling lavender essential oil. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description below where I will share some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. The first benefit of smelling lavender essential oil is to help calm the body. So when you're feeling kind of stressed out or you're having some anxious feelings, smelling in lavender essential oil will help to calm you. The second benefit of smelling lavender oil is to promote relaxation. So when you've had a stressful day and you're wanting to relax, smelling in lavender essential oil will help you to relax. Now, the third benefit of smelling lavender oil is to help promote restful sleep. Whether you're wanting to get a great night's sleep yourself or you're wanting your baby or your child to be able to rest and sleep better, smelling in lavender essential oil is a great way to get those benefits. Now, a quick bonus tip. You can just smell the lavender oil right out of the bottle to receive these benefits, or you could also use it in a few different ways to receive the benefits of smelling the lavender oil. For instance, if you're wanting to promote restful sleep by smelling lavender, then you can drop a drop or two of lavender oil on your pillow where you can smell it in as you're lying there and going in bed going to sleep. If you're having a stressful day or wanting to promote relaxation, applying a drop of lavender on your wrists is a great way to take the lavender oil with you so that you can smell it in as often as you need to. And then last but definitely not least, you could also diffuse lavender essential oil in your favorite diffuser, and that way you can continue to smell in the lavender and receive its benefits as long as your diffuser is running. Now, if you don't have a diffuser of your own yet, I'll post a link to some of my favorite diffusers in the description below. Alright, I hope you got great value out of this video and that you will greatly enjoy the awesome benefits of smelling lavender essential oil. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils, go to theoilcoach.net or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you have to do is pay the small shipping and handling fee, and it'll be headed right to you. So question of the day, what is your favorite benefit of smelling lavender essential oil? Let me know in the comment sections below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you want to check out other videos in my lavender tip series, just click or tap the screen right there. For another video from the Oil Coach, click or tap the screen right there. Until next time, here at the Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Take care, and we will talk soon.